Well folks, welcome to the latest video. Well, I do have to apologise for the long delay between videos, but during the pandemic it has been extremely difficult to get anything. It is just starting to come back now, and there are a few more rods for sale. So this is our latest package from the rod dealers in Dublin. We're just about to unbox this and let's see what's inside it. So this is what we've got inside. No cardboard packaging, which is unusual for them, but I believe one of the rods is made of iron, so steel tubes, so maybe they just thought that was strong enough. Anyway, we'll have a look. Well, it looks like these rods are in quite nice condition. As far as the bags are concerned anyway, they look like they're pretty good. So I'll take them out one by one and have a look at what we got. So this one says Edgar Sealy. They were quite a good make at one time. No longer operating, I don't think. So this is our Edgar Sealy Black Arrow. It does appear to be a very nice quality rod actually. A lot of fiberglass rods, we struggle to sell them really because people are really wanting split cane. Yeah, you can see the Black Arrow. Now they are nice quality rods, and this here is a tip extension for it. Yeah, looks like that's working just fine. Very nice condition too. Hardly used, I would say. So this Edgar Sealy also has a very nice feature. It has a little tip blocker for storage, which is very nice. That's beautiful condition. Okay, so this appears to be an Allcox of Redditch. So this is a cane rod with tip stoppers, and it seems to have the correct length tips, not damaged, which is really nice. And split cane too, which is very much in demand at the moment. So we are looking at a small amount of damage to the handle, but not really very much. Okay, so what we appear to have here is an Apollo tubular steel rod. Now these don't fetch much money really, but they're like a curio, and they kind of appear every now and again in batches. People do buy them as curios, but they don't pay a lot of money for them, so I can't see us getting much out of this one, but we'll have a look at it. Okay, so that's what they look like. The way that they're made is quite nice quality, as it happens, and remarkably light as well, considering it's made of steel. Got some good tip protectors in there, they're quite nice. I don't know what we'll do with this one actually, I'm not sure. Maybe sell it as part of a job lot or something like that. Anyway, it's quite a nice rod. It is quite a nice rod, strangely enough, but not really much market for these, sadly. Okay folks, so you can see what it says at the end there. It says Hardy. So hopefully we've got a nice Hardy rod in. So it does seem that we have a rather beautiful Hardy Palacona. Okay, so looking at the serial numbers on this rod, it says it's either 2307 or 2807, and it's got a letter suffix of E. So according to these Hardy rod manufacturing dates, the 2s to the 5s there, you can see 1926. So this rod has the crest of the Prince of Wales on it and the crest of the King on it. So it's looking like we've also got two rather beautiful tips for this rod, which are perfect. They're not short, they're the right length. Look at that, absolutely fantastic. So there you have a beautiful antique 1926 Hardy fly fishing rod. Gorgeous. It's even got an aluminium tip tube with it. Look at that. With a screw top. Beautiful. So I think we did well out of this lot. Keep watching folks, and we'll get some more unboxings for you later on. This is a really nice Hardy fishing rod. Later on these will come up for sale in the store. Okay, well folks, thanks very much for watching. Bye.